Strawberry shortcake is hands down one of my all-time favorite desserts. The texture and flavor combination of the crumbly shortcake covered with macerated strawberries, whipped cream, with the essential strawberry on top, is something I look forward to every summer. So of course I wanted to make it into a cocktail for this channel. And now that it's summer, it's finally strawberry season in my neck of the woods. And it's hard to beat an in-season strawberry. They're just so sweet and full of flavor, a perfect cocktail ingredient. I just can't resist them. So as soon as I saw them at the farmer's market, I just had to grab them. Now, if you've been subscribed to this channel for a while, you've probably noticed that I get a lot of my cocktail inspirations from food that I like to reimagine as cocktails, particularly desserts, like my Persian love cake cocktail, key lime pie milk punch, and banoffee pie cocktail. If you're interested in these recipes, please check out the link below to my If It Were a Cocktail playlist. For today's If It Were a Cocktail recipe, we're making a strawberry shortcake cocktail. My cocktail version of a strawberry shortcake is reimagined as a flip. A flip cocktail typically consists of a full egg, some type of sweetener, and a spirit. In this video, we're going to cover a few things. First, how to make a delicious strawberry syrup that can be used in anything from cocktails to desserts to you name it. Second, how to make a quick homemade buttermilk using whole milk and lemon, which will give us that biscuity flavor of the shortcake. I will also be using some lemon juice and a blend of bourbon and amaretto. I love the combination of bourbon and amaretto. It tastes exactly like vanilla cake. And finally, how to bring this together using a dry shake method with the egg yolk, then egg white separately to get that rich, luxurious, velvety mouthfeel. You'll swear you're drinking an actual strawberry shortcake. To make the strawberry syrup, I'll cut up my strawberries to create more surface area. This will help the strawberries macerate faster and more efficiently. Make sure to save the strawberry tops. They are completely edible and can be used in everything from smoothies to infusing vinegar, like I did to make my strawberry shrub. Once I've diced up my strawberries, I will cover them with sugar and stir them around until they're evenly coated. I used a full cup of diced strawberries and half a cup of sugar. I popped mine in the fridge overnight, but you can keep agitating the strawberry and sugar mixture, then let it rest at room temperature for a couple of hours for a more immediate result. The next day, I opened the container and all of the sugar had been dissolved to form a beautiful red strawberry syrup. I used the actual macerated strawberries to make the strawberry shortcake, and they were incredible. The next make-ahead step is the buttermilk, just in case you don't have any lying around. The first time I made this, I had leftover buttermilk from baking, but this time around I went for a DIY version. All you will need is a cup of whole milk and the juice from half a lemon. Squeeze the lemon juice into the milk and stir to combine. Let it rest for 5 minutes. It will thicken slightly and it's ready to use. The addition of buttermilk to this cocktail adds that biscuity flavor from the shortcake. Now we're all set to build the strawberry shortcake cocktail. I'm going to start by separating the yolk from the egg. This is a little bar hack to getting a really nice foam, which can be difficult in cocktails that use a whole egg. First, add the egg yolk to the shaker tin, along with 1 ounce of strawberry syrup, 1.5 ounces of bourbon, half an ounce of Disaronno, half an ounce of buttermilk, half an ounce of lemon juice, and 2 small ice cubes. Shake until you don't hear the ice cubes rattling around. Then add the egg white and 2 more small ice cubes and shake until they have dissolved. I'm straining this straight into my coupe, and for the strawberry on top, I'll be dusting some dehydrated strawberries that I've crushed into a powder. And here it is, a decadent and bright strawberry shortcake, if it were a cocktail. The aroma of the strawberry powder before getting that first sip elevates the experience from the beginning. It's so delicious and creamy without being too heavy. The strawberry and lemon lifts this from eggnog territory into a summery dessert cocktail. I'm loving this bourbon, amaretto, and strawberry combination as well. It hits all of those vanilla cake notes and complements the bourbon without overwhelming it. And it surprisingly goes down fast and easy despite it being a flip. So if you're looking for a fun way to have dessert this summer and you love strawberry shortcake, definitely give this a try. It's so similar in its flavor profile, you swear you're having the actual thing. I hope you guys get a chance to pick up some strawberries and try this one out. You will not regret it. Thank you all for stopping by. For this recipe and all of my other recipes, please check out my website, theweepearl.com. Stay tuned for more cocktail recipes and some other fun videos I have lined up. Cheers!